the strength to carry on. Look inside you and be strong. Cause a hero lies in you.
Get the words right. And that would be black person numero uno.
What do you want me to do?
Sing your favorite song. And sing for real like me. So then oh, she can sing.
Boo! Entertain the cameraman.
Security!
No white
Security, get the paparazzis away from me.
This is black person numero dos.
What are you?
And I would be the third one.
What are you?
Yeah, Mexican.
She's Caucasian.
Yep. And there's a Mexican, you would never know.
Yeah.
That's not Mexican.
You never know.
She's a white girl. She's very pale.
Lauren, turn around.
Dude, oh my god, I like white people. Some of them do.
And then this Lauren.
Because she's giving me.
Somebody get the paparazzi out.
Woo. And this is when segregation has ended.
Please, no pictures.
Discrimination is over.
Why the pretzels brown? Why you can't eat white pretzel?
I could dip it in white chocolate.
Okay.
Woohoo! Lauren, turn around. Turn around.
This is gonna be my wife. I swear to God, Lauren's so fine. Lauren, just look at the camera. Lauren, look at even on her bad day, she look good. Sweetheart.
Why are you doing work?
She's ignoring me.
A daisy.
Lauren, is that a hickey?
No.
Come on, you're blocking the camera.
It's like a bump, but it's on this side too. It's like a bump, like I scratched it. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow, inside scoop.
Andre, you're very entertaining.
It's my turn. I'm gonna be the director now.
No, because I don't want to be around
Please,
video.
please. Okay, I won't put you on the video.
Looking at Andre, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Come on, sing us another song.
Alright, what y'all want to hear?
Something freaky.
A song by Plies and oh, I got a text message. Hold on.
He has a texter message. Good.
I don't know. It's gonna probably play loud.
Most likely.
I can't. Like the lowest is the volume.
Well, then just sing it.
I gotta hear the song first. I don't know it.
Well, then that sucks.
Hold on.
Mindy.
Hold on.
Oh, this is going on MySpace, huh?
What finals?
Debate. What do you have?
English.
What do you have?
History.
Are you talking about you? Is it you? You. Think about me. Thinking on you.
I wanna get nasty. Some in my salad. I don't know.
You.
I don't know.
Think
Why don't you let me record you singing it?
No. No.
And that there's Jasmine. On her worst day, she looks good still.
Oh, thank you.
I was lying. I'm playing Jasmine.
You're so mean to
Why are you
me.
wearing my shirt?
Yeah, okay.
No, for real. Why are you
Yeah,
wearing my
okay.
So, this is going on MySpace.
So who do you like at school, Jasmine?
I'm not telling.
Is it me?
Nobody. Yes, it is you, Andre.
I knew it.
I love you.
You've been attracted to me, huh?
So what's that grade I met you?
9th.
There we go. I've been learning since 9th grade.